Just ahead of polls in Delhi, the political temperatures are only rising. A day after Arvind Kejriwal leveled serious allegations against the Delhi BJP chief, now the Aam Aadmi Party convener says that he is ready with the proof. Kejriwal is likely to hold a news conference at 3 p.m. today where he will be putting out that evidence against Satish Upadhyay.
ये तो बहुत गहरी साजिश है कि बिजली जो वितरण में कंपनियां हैं उनकी और भाजपा की साठगांठ बहुत पुरानी है। इनके नेताओं का साठगांठ बहुत पुराना है। तो वही लोग इनके इलेक्शन को फंड करते हैं और वही लोग फिर इनसे फायदा उठाते हैं। ये तो जग जाहिर है कि भाई जिस किसी का भी इनके इलेक्शन को फंड करने का ड्यूटी मिली है वो उन कंपनियों को रन कर रहे हैं जो कि बिजली के बिल बढ़ाते हैं और बिजली का बिल बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा अगर भाजपा शासन में आती है।
And Pooja is with us on the phone line. She's making more sense of where really this battle now is headed to. Pooja, you know, it's an open dare now. We've heard Satish Upadhyay putting out the dare yesterday where he said that if Arvind Kejriwal is able to prove the charges in 24 hours, he will retire from active politics. And Arvind Kejriwal now is, you know, opening up the challenge, saying that I'm going to be producing the proof here. Will Satish Upadhyay keep his word?
Absolutely. Now, in fact, what I'm also being told within the party is that he's planning another press conference like yesterday today. The time is yet to be confirmed. It's most likely going to be at 3 p.m. given the tight schedule of Arvind Kejriwal with regard to his meetings. At 3 p.m., if Arvind also doesn't do it, other leaders say that they have enough documents, they will present it. It is only going to further their yesterday's attack. So if Satish Upadhyay yesterday refuted all claims, the BJP refuted all claims, they will have to be, in fact, stronger in their attack today because the Aam Aadmi Party, I can tell you from the leaders that I have spoken to, they're extremely confident of the documents that they have. How are they receiving these documents? How have they been able to get some of these very crucial details is, of course, yet not clear. But they say that only more and more details are going to be divulged. So at 3 p.m., we are expecting another press conference and perhaps then what I can tell you is Kejriwal or other leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party will directly ask the BJP how can they have such a person leading their campaign. They might even ask the BJP of why no action is being taken against Satish Upadhyay.
Let's also hear in how the Congress has been reacting to this duel going on between the two parties.
देखिए, मानहानि के दावे से पहले उनको जवाब देना चाहिए कि इसमें सच्चाई कितनी है और मैं समझता हूं जो प्रश्न केजरीवाल जी ने उठाया है उसके ऊपर जवाब तो उपाध्याय जी को देना ही चाहिए और सारे तथ्य सामने रखने चाहिए। दूसरा सबसे बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण सवाल ये है कि केजरीवाल जी को ये सारे आरोप तभी मिलते हैं जब वो ऑपोजिशन में होते हैं। 49 दिन की उनकी सरकार थी तभी तो मीटर की कंपनीज यही लोग चला रहे होंगे। ये तो है नहीं कि भी उनके जब मुख्यमंत्री थे तब ये कोई और चला रहा होगा। तो उस वक्त इसका मतलब कि ये खुद मान रहे हैं कि ये विफल हो गए उसको चेक करने के लिए। तो केजरीवाल जी जो हैं जब अपने मुख्यमंत्री काल के दौरान इन मीटर्स को चेक नहीं कर पाए, इन प्राइवेट कंपनीज को लगाम नहीं लगा पाए, तो वो जनता से वापस किस तरीके से वोट मांग रहे हैं। अगर उन्होंने जो है बिजली के रेट उनके टाइम पे थोड़े समय के लिए थोड़े कम सब्सिडी दे करके किया, यानी जनता का पैसा ही जनता के जो काम आ सकता था, जो हमारे झुग्गी झोंपड़ी के रहने वाले लोगों के लिए मकान बनाया जा सकता था, जो पानी की लाइनें हमारी रिपेयर करी जा सकती थी, उसमें काम आ सकता था, उस पैसे को प्राइवेट कंपनीज को दे करके कुछ समय के लिए सिर्फ अपना कंधा थपथपाने के लिए कि हमने रेट थोड़े दिन के लिए कम कर दिए, मैं नहीं समझता कि ये सही तरीका। अगर उनको रोकना चाहिए था तो बिजली की कंपनीज के ऊपर, प्राइवेट कंपनीज के ऊपर लगाम लगाना चाहिए था।
So that is the reaction we are hearing from Ajay Maken of the Congress. Pooja, if I can now come back to you. The point is, the Congress is taking a swipe at both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. They are asking the Aam Aadmi Party that if it was aware of, this really going on, this fraudulent means of fixing meters, why did it do nothing in the 49 days that it ruled Delhi?
Absolutely. In fact, the Congress also now wants to jump into this political opportunity. Ajay Maken's, in fact, exclusive reaction yesterday and today also the same statement as to why Arvind has not done enough of what he says before the polls and after with regard to taking action against the BJP leaders. Of course, the Aam Aadmi Party is likely to clarify on that front at around 3 p.m. today. Most importantly, it is very interesting to note how the strategy is going. It is going exactly how the Aam Aadmi Party would want. It is the Aam Aadmi Party continuously launching attacks against the BJP against the Congress, and the both other mainstream
Yes.
parties are left to defend. So this is what Kejriwal want, and for the next few days only this is likely to continue. More and more direct allegations and counter allegations by the AAP.